Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving a Mozilla Firefox error, SSL error, bad Mac alert that the page you were trying to view cannot be shown because the authenticity of the received data could not be verified. Please contact the website owners to inform them of this problem. And it just says that an error occurred during connection to whatever the website you're trying to connect to, and P reports incorrect message authentication code, and then like I said, that error code SSL error bad Mac alert. So we're going to go about how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle here, and we're going to go ahead and jump into it. So you want to open up the Mozilla Firefox web browser if it's not already open. Now into the top URL address bar, you want to type in about and then colon config. So about and then a colon, CONFIG, hit enter on your keyboard. It'll say this might void your warranty. Go ahead and select I accept the risk. And now I'm going to have a bunch of text in the description of the video. It starts with security and ends with host. And I want you guys to paste it into the search bar. Should come up with a result underneath preference name here, and you want to go ahead and double click on it. Now enter in whatever website you're having the problem with here, so just paste in the URL. So let's just say it was an issue with google.com. You want to go open up the other tab. So let's say we're having a problem with Google here, just for example. You want to just copy the URL address bar, so whatever the website is, and then open up this security.tls.insecure_fallback_host. Again, it was what we were under before, but now we're going to go paste in this website. Select OK. Now once that's done, close out of here, restart the browser, and see if that has resolved the problem. A further thing you can do would be to go ahead and open back up the Firefox browser if you're still having a problem. And now we're going to go back up to the URL address bar, and again about and then colon config. I'm going to search that up, accept the risk, and now underneath search preference name we're going to go paste in the next direction here. So the next thing we're going to do is just type into the search preference name, just type in security.ssl3. And if you notice that the view looks to have changed a little bit, I believe the Firefox browser just updated, so that's why it looks a little bit different in between the first and the second method, which isn't ideal, but generally speaking it really is the same process here. But you should see something that says security.ssl3. You want to go change this to boolean if it's anything other than that. So if it says number or string, you want to change it to boolean here. So once you've confirmed that, you can close out here. Also check and see if your time and date settings are correct at the bottom right corner of your taskbar. So if you want to right click on it and select adjust date and time, make sure the date and time settings are correct in here. So if anything's incorrect, you can always turn off setting time automatically and then manually change the date and time settings by selecting the change option. You can also sync now if you want to just sync your clock manually, so it should go automatically sync up with the Windows server that manages time settings. And just giving you guys a couple options here to work with. And if for some reason it's already manual, try setting it to automatic and make sure time zone's also set to the correct time zone. So just make sure your time and date settings are correct on this panel. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Would just restarting your computer nonetheless, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.